Thousands of students get their France student visa approved every year, only to discover months later they made one small mistake that could cost them their legal status. They simply forgot to validate their visa after landing. It's a 15-minute online task with serious consequences if skipped. My name is Vincent, and here's exactly how the France student visa works in 2026. EU, EEA, and Swiss citizens need no visa at all. Everyone else, including British, American, Canadian, and Indian students, needs a long-stay visa for programs over 90 days. The one most people apply for is a VLS-TS étudiant, which conveniently functions as both entry visa and residence permit for your first year, covering 4 months to a full year of study. Before the visa itself, most students go through the Études en France procedure, better known as Campus France. Whether it applies depends on your home country. Skip it when required, and your consulate refuses the visa outright. It involves creating an account, uploading transcripts, and often an interview, and the whole thing typically takes 2 to 3 months on its own. For a September start, begin no later than January. The official minimum financial proof is €615 per month, about €7,380 a year. For 2026 specifically, consulates increasingly expect more than the bare minimum, especially for Paris. Showing €800 to €1,000 monthly helps avoid the common insufficient funds rejection. You'll also need your admission letter, a valid passport, and proof of accommodation for at least your first 3 months. Once Campus France clears, you apply on France visas, book a consulate appointment, and submit biometrics. Processing itself takes 15 to 45 days, but factoring in Campus France and appointment availability, start the whole process 10 to 12 weeks before departure, longer during the May to July summer peak when wait times can stretch to 60 days. The visa fee runs around €50 for Campus France applicants, €99 otherwise, non-refundable either way. Within 3 months of arrival, you must validate your visa online through ANEF. Simple, digital, and it costs around €50 to €60. Skip it, and you can't access housing assistance, open certain bank accounts, or renew your permit later, even though your visa was properly approved. Also register at your university, open a bank account, and sign up for CPAM health insurance in your first weeks. Your VLS-TS lets you work up to 964 hours a year, roughly 20 hours a week, with no separate work permit needed. When your first year ends, apply for a multi-year student residence permit at your prefecture, filing between 4 and 2 months before expiry with proof of academic progress and continued financial resources. Bottom line, France's student visa process is thorough but predictable. Start Campus France early, show more than the bare financial minimum, and never skip that post-arrival validation. Subscribe for more visa breakdowns and tell me which country to cover next.